Okay, to install Regolith desktop in Ubuntu 20.04, open a terminal. And type sudo add-apt-repository ppa : Regolith -linux /release . Press enter. Next, type sudo apt install regolith -desktop -standard. Enter Y. Okay, now if you want to remove Regolith, you would type sudo apt purge regolith -desktop -standard. Okay, now we'll log out and log back in. Okay, hit the gear icon on the login page and select Regolith. Okay, we're in the Regolith desktop. So if we click on Launch on the right side, we'll see how to start a terminal so we can check the version. So to launch a terminal, type the window key and enter. Okay, in the terminal, type cat/etsy/regolith/version. And you can see we've installed version 1.6.0. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.